Hey guys, Crypto Whiskey here with your morning watch list again. After yesterday's Federman Jerome Powell's speech, I guess you'd say, he didn't say anything different. I don't know why. The markets took that as a sign that we're going to have a pivot. Yesterday's price action came out of nowhere. No charts were saying it. It was strictly hype based on that speech. He did not say anything different. He did not say there was a pivot point. He did not give a positive outlook, yet the markets took it that way and ran with it. So we have to deal with that. I still believe that we are going to have another leg down, and I'm still playing. I'm holding those positions that we outlined yesterday: the Disney, the Amazon, the APEN, and the Apple puts. They all are January put options. I will be holding on to those until we get a little further along through the next probably week or 5 days and see what's going on. But we have the NASDAQ here that after yesterday's debacle pushed it back up, testing other areas here that it's either going to reject or it's going to rip up and touch that 200-day moving average. We have to see. We're going to have to see how it opens today. Do we get a rejection at this area of confluence? And it goes right back down, but we have not broken through this trend line resoundingly yet. But we've got to pay attention to it. So if we break above this area, let's say we break above, we can break above 11,656. I would say then we could probably take a long all the way up to around 12.1. On most stocks. That's just the way we're going to have to look at it. The DXY, which we try to track, when it goes down, assets go up, stocks rip, and this week been pretty bloody. Yesterday we were holding above the 200, but yesterday we closed a candle below it. That could change any second. We're probably going to come on down to this 104.675 and touch that today at some point, and then maybe reverse. Today's going to be more of a kind of watch and see the first part of the morning what goes down, but I am actually added to my positions from yesterday. I will be adding to my Apple position, Amazon, Disney, APEN. I will be averaging down on those a little bit because I truly believe that this candle right here was uncalled for, and nothing on the charts was screaming that we needed it. This was strictly a hype-based rally. So keep your eyes on it today. Add to positions as you go, and maybe let's keep Tesla in the back of our mind. Tesla has a real good chance of recovering right here. It didn't get down to the 149 that we hoped for, which would have been a test of the previous high before the breakout back in August of 20. But what it has done now is it has bounced off the 180 level and started to climb again. And we've started to lose a little negative momentum on the weekly. I still just don't think that's any kind of confirmation yet. But if we break above 207, hold your horses. We're probably running back up to 237, all the way up to $300. There's not a whole lot of support and resistant areas above that. Over 207, it can just rip. We could see it just take off like a rocket. So keep Tesla on your watch list, and let's just wait for it. If we get above that 207, then we're going to go long. We're going to do call options out several months. But that's about it, guys. Just keep an eye on everything. Let's see what today does and how today's market unfolds. I have a feeling that we end up turning here pretty soon this morning and heading back down. But we'll see. Thanks, guys.